and roll it into our 13 by 9 baking dish. Once we have it all pushed to the edges there, we're going to take some melted butter that I mixed with some garlic salt. I'm going to take half of this mixture. We did 4 tablespoons of butter, and just spread it over before we start our layering of the meats and the cheeses. Okay, there we go. So let's start our layers. We're going to start with some provolone and just kind of overlap just slightly on each one. Next we got our ham. You want to get a nice amount in there, but you also don't want to overdo it because we want to be able to roll this baby. Let's get one more piece of the ham. So we got the ham in there. Next we're going to do our pepperoni. These are smaller, so we're just going to put it in the middle here. This is about halfway through our layering. There we go. And then of course, we're doing Stromboli, so we got to do some salami. That in there. And you want to leave, I messed up here, you want to leave a little bit of room on the edges. For when you do this. There we go. Yeah. A little bit of room. And then finally, we're going to add some mozzarella. Ella. And probably one more piece. Boom. All right, y'all, now time for the fun part. We're gonna take this baby and we're gonna just roll it very gently. We wanna try to not break the pizza dough if we can avoid it. Try to just do it really, maybe if I roll it from this side. Try not to break that pizza down. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, and try to close that seam there. All right, and finally, before we throw it in the oven, we're gonna take that butter mixture like I mentioned and just put it over the top here so it bakes really nicely on top. And if you want a little extra flavor on the top of it, you can also dust it with a little extra garlic salt on top. All right, y'all, so we got the oven preheated at 400. We're gonna put it in there for 20 minutes and it should be nice and golden brown after 20 minutes. And we'll come back and check on it. Check out this Stromboli. Ooh, it's like a perfect golden brown on top. Wow. All right, let's cut this into some nice pieces here. Looks kind of like a sub, but then it smells like a pizza. All right, let's give this baby a try. We got some marinara here.